Understanding the BIOS.
BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System. It is a small, crucial program stored on a chip inside your computer's motherboard. When you turn on your computer, the BIOS is the first software that runs, starting a sequence that checks and prepares the hardware so your operating system can load.
What does the BIOS do?
The BIOS performs a power-on self-test, or POST. This step checks your system's hardware, such as memory, keyboard, and drives, to make sure everything is functioning. If any issues are found, the BIOS can alert you with error messages or beeps. Only after passing these checks does your computer move forward.
How BIOS starts your computer.
Once hardware checks are complete, the BIOS finds your hard drive or SSD's boot device. It then loads the system's bootloader, which in turn loads the operating system, like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Without the BIOS performing these steps, your computer would not know how to start up.
Accessing and configuring the BIOS.
You can access the BIOS settings by pressing a key, such as Delete, F2, or Escape, immediately after powering on your computer. In the BIOS menu, you can change settings like boot order, enable or disable hardware, and set passwords to protect your system.
Modern BIOS and UEFI.
Many new computers use UEFI, which stands for Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. UEFI is like an updated version of BIOS, offering extra features, faster boot times, and improved security. Despite these changes, the basic purpose remains the same: preparing the hardware and starting your operating system.